guys, I just got a package. I'm so excited, and I kind of didn't. My brother didn't see it in the mail. Like he picked it up today. And yeah. Okay, so here's the package, and it's really small. But I don't know. And this is from J.K. Crafting. Oh, she lives in Huntington Beach. That's so cool. We live. I don't even know who this is from. Oh, okay. So you can see the address. This is from USA Squishies. So, yeah, it says, thank you. Included is the rare squishy plus your giveaway prize. Congrats. Enjoy. Thank you for your order. Hope you like it. Enjoy. And then it's on this really cute Mamagobo paper. So I got my prize was this Gorilla cupcake, I believe. And this isn't the rare design, but this is like the non-rare design. This is pretty cute, so yeah. And then I got the things I ordered, which was these two squishies, and this is $20. These are really squishy, you guys, and these are rare. So cool, and super happy to get this. And it's really squishy. So there's like this angel one, and then this devil one. So there's the tag. It's really squishy. So and they look bigger than they are. They're not even the size of bananas. They're like half the size. They're not even half. They're like mini bananas, I guess. But these are really squishy. They're so cute. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.